Hi everyone! Welcome to Mystic Oracle Tarot PH. Mga lovely subscribers ko, salamat sa lagi niyong walang sawang pag-support niyo sa akin. New viewers, welcome! And before you finish watching this video, this reading, please help me support also by subscribing as well to help me back my channel kasi nabura ko yun by accident. Anyway po, everyone, kung alam nyo na merong makaresonate po nitong mensahe na po, no, please don't hesitate to share it as well. Help me. It will also help me spread my channel as well. Okay, let's begin your reading. So, like I said, every readings ko, hindi talaga lahat makaresonate po ha. So, kung hindi po ito ang mensahe para sa iyo, leave it behind for now. Okay. Your first message for today, oh wow, sun agad oh. Something happiness is coming. Parang sasaya ka. Anchor. Okay, meron tayong tower. May changes na coming. Okay? May changes na coming. That will give you magiging matatag at stability. Stable yung to make your situation stable. Okay? Oh. It could be you or someone you know or you're dealing with this person. Babae. Ano pa? Okay. Oh my God. It's something to do with commitment. May kinumit ka ba? It doesn't have to be marriage or engagement or anything. It's something, it could be something, a material thing. Or a work or a promise or I don't know. Yun yung ano mo. Yun yung energy mo. Okay. Meron tayong clover. Oh, happiness. Sasaya ka talaga. Something you're about to make yourself happy. It's also an opportunity and a luck card as well. Garden. Okay, let's get more. I'm not quite too sure about the garden though. What is something to do with the garden? Because garden is something. This energy, no, is something about public. You know, public affairs. Social media, fame. So I don't know what is that connection with this one. Let me just have a look. Let me get more to find out. Got Lily. Okay. I feel like this woman is a popular person. I think this person is a influencer. She's a popular like kumbaga ano siya no, kung celebrity to siya no. For example lang, you meet a celebrity no na that will help you change sa commitment ng ano mo. Ano bang commitment mo? It's not quite clear yet kung ano ang commitment mo. There's something in here that it's not revealing yet, okay? It's something to do with this, ikaw ba yan or someone, okay? And that someone is a very popular person. It could be a celebrity, it could be a governor, it could be something. Ano siya basta popular siya na person. Or you meeting this person in an event na president siya or one of the daughter of the CEO or something like that, you know, something. Not quite yet what kind of commitment. Let's take a look more. Let's get more message to unfold what kind of commitment that you are you're about to engage, you know. You're about to get yourself involved. So let's take a look first. Kung ano yan. We'll get more. Masaya ka eh. Super saya mo. Sun, clover, luck. Wow. Okay, meron tayong, lalaki. Fish. Abundance. Okay. Well, definitely may abundance na darating. Or maybe it could be it's a two person will meet. Will meet no na when you meet each other no, the two of you will have lots and full of abundance of love to each other. Or di kaya yung tao na ito no, mapera, wealthy to wealth. Mayaman ba? O di kaya mayaman yan siya. I feel like magmi-meet kayong dalawa in an event. Tapos nagkagustuhan kayo. Parang na in love at first sight, parang na in love siya sa'yo, no? That's where the commitment is coming in, yung ring. Parang nagtithink siya, iniisip niya na you're the one now. Ikaw yung hinahanap niya for a long, long time. It could be a marriage, you know? The two union coming together. Okay, we'll get more. I never read this kind of energy before. Oh my God. Rider. Mensahe na darating na mabilisan. Oh. Baka dahil sa na-inlove siya sa'yo, no, ayaw ka na niya i-let ko kaya propose siya agad sa'yo. Mayaman yung lalaki. Oh my God. Oh my God, mayaman siya. Diyos ko, whoever you are, accept mo na yung proposal. Mayaman, oh. Mayaman tong lalaki to. Siguro negosyante tong lalaki or I don't know. Basta mayaman yung lalaki. OMG! Meron tayong scythe? I don't know. Pardon me how to pronounce this word. Oh dear. Okay. Oops. Tinadhana talaga kayo mag-meet to each other. You are fated to meet to each other. Kasi aksidente lang yung ano nyo eh. By accident lang yung ano nyo, pagkikita, pag-meet nyo. Oh my God! It's something to do with love. Two unions coming together. Oh my gosh. Mayaman pala siya. Oh my God. Take it. Kung sino maka-resonate ito, goodness. Kung hindi mo alam na mayaman yung tao na yan, nako. I'm telling you now, mayaman yan o mapera. Whip. Meron tayong whip. Pero you are so busy telling yourself na that guy is out of my league. Parang kasi ano kumbaga out of place ka sa kanya kasi syempre mayaman, 'di ba? And it's a very mayaman siya na popular siya. Popular siya sa ano niya, sa area niya or sa social media niya, basta popular din siya. Mayaman. Kaya nagdadalawang isip ka na gusto mo ba tanggapin ang proposal or not. Okay, we'll get more. Very interesting reading. I never read this kind of energy before. It's very interesting. Oh my goodness. Sa umpisa pa lang na card, no? Maging maligaya ka kung tatanggapin mo ito siyang tao na ito. It will also help your situation from pera to everything. Mas stable ka, wala kang problema. Kasi mayaman na siya eh. Siya na ang bahala sa iyo. Ito yung tower na magbibigay sa iyo ng changes, pagbabago sa buhay mo. Kaya pala tagal ko mabasa. Ang tagal ko mahula ko ano yung ano niya, energy niya. What is this? It taking me for a little bit, a while to gather all the energy. Diyos ko, Lord, yan lang pala. So, magkikita kayo, magmi-meet kayo by accident sa isang event na ito. I don't know where is that and when is the event. Basta, event yan na aatinan yung dalawa because you are fated. Tinadhana na kayo na magkita kayong dalawa kasi kayong dalawa ay para sa isa't isa. Okay. It will bring, yung relationship nyo, no, yung commitment nyo, no, it will bring happiness, luck sa love area nyo, sa buhay nyo, when it comes to, kung ikaw naghanap ng, you are ready to love again, yeah, and to settle down, yeah, it will help for you to move forward with your love na maging masaya ka talaga. Wow. Ano pa? God, Diyos ko po. Okay. Meron pa ba? I feel like there's more. Pero the energy is fading. So, paalis na yung energy niya. Ito nga. Ito yung changes mo. Ito nga yung kung hindi ka naging masaya sa love mo, no, area mo, no, ito na yung pagbabago mo. that you will be blooming with your love. Magiging masaya ka. Magiging content ka sa sa love area mo. Maging maligaya ka talaga, I swear. See, magkakaanak pa kayo. This is your new beginning. Ito yung new beginning mo, opportunity mo, at magkakaanak kayo. Kung gusto mong magkatuluyan, no, magkaanak ka, mabuntis ka agad. I feel like, basta, magkaanak ka agad. Parang lalaki yung anak mo. I don't know, I just have a strong energy on that one, on that child gender. Parang lalaki, magkaanak kayo. Magkaanak ka agad sa kanya. Oh my God, nangilabot yung balahibo ko. Diyos ko, Lord. Ang ganda ng energy nyo. It's very interesting energy. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this reading. I hope someone can resonate this reading, this energy. And please comment down below. And don't forget, please subscribe, everyone. Spread my channel and help me build up my channel, okay? Thanks, everyone. And yeah, I'll see you in my next reading. Bye for now.